Number 1. Who has the authority to recommend to the President nominees for the members of the Supreme Court and judges of the lower courts? 1. Judicial and Bar Council. 2. Integrated Bar of the Philippines. 3. Commission on Appointments. 4. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. 5. Secretary of Justice. The answer is 3. Commission on Appointments. Number 2. The authority to call for a constitutional convention for the purpose of proposing amendments thereto, or revision thereof, resides in the 1. Speaker of the House. 2. President. 3. Supreme Court. 4. Senate. 5. Congress. The answer is 5. Congress. Number 3. The Constitution protects the lives of its unborn citizens. This means that 1. The government imposes stringent regulations on birth control methods. 2. People must exercise responsible parenthood to avoid unwanted pregnancies. 3. The unborn is given equal rights as any born citizen in the country. 4. Abortion cannot be liberalized in the country. 5. Abortion is generally prohibited in the country, but is allowed in some cases. The answer is 3. The unborn is given equal rights as any born citizen in the country. Number 4. Under the 1987 Constitution, the state is mandated to assign the highest budgetary priority to 1. Agriculture. 2. Education. 3. Health. 4. Science. 5. National defense. The answer is 2. Education. Number 5. Who exercise general supervision over all local governments? 1. Executive Secretary. 2. President of the Philippines. 3. Speaker of the House. 4. League of Governors. 5. Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government. The answer is 2. President of the Philippines. Number 6. Which of the following sectors is not representing in the House of Representatives through the party list system? 1. Religious. 2. Youth. 3. Women. 4. Peasant. 5. Labor. The answer is 1. Religious. Number 7. The power of the President of the Philippines to disapprove bills passed by Congress that she considers not favorable to the people is called 1. Emergency power. 2. Police power. 3. Legislative power. 4. Veto power. 5. Executive power. The answer is 4. Veto power. Number 8. Due process of law means that the accused is 1. Entitled to legal counsel. 2. Placed in a solitary confinement. 3. Represented in all stages of the trial. 4. Presumed innocent until proven guilty. 5. Not subjected to force, violence, and intimidation to extract confession of guilt. The answer is 4. Presumed innocent until proven guilty. Number 9. The rights of private individuals to secure for themselves the enjoyable of their means of happiness, such as the right to a name, the right to form a family, and the right to security of personal papers and effects are called 1. Political rights. 2. Cultural rights. 3. Civil rights. 4. Inherent rights. 5. Economic and social rights. The answer is 3. Civil rights. Number 10. The Bill of Rights of the Philippine Constitution does not allow involuntary servitude except 1. Payment for department. 2. Penalty for violation of training regulations by a student/trainee. 3. Penalty for breach of regulation imposed by an employer in lieu of dismissal from work. 4. Punishment imposed by parents to their children. 5. punishment for a crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted. The answer is 5, punishment for a crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted. Number 11, elective or appointive public officials or employees cannot accept any present, compensation, office, or title of any kind from any foreign government without the consent of 1. Congress. 2. The Ombudsman. 3. The President. 4. The agency head. 5. The Chief Justice. The answer is 1. Congress. Number 12, which body has the sole power to hear and decide all cases of impeachment? 1. Senate. 2. Sandiganbian. 3. Ombudsman. 4. Supreme Court. 5. House of Representatives. The answer is 1. Senate. Number 13, the right of the state to take private property for public use upon payment of just compensation to the owner is known as 1. Eminent domain. 2. Liberty of abode. 3. Judicial proceedings. 4. Public disclosure. 5. Administrative proceedings. The answer is 1. Eminent domain. Number 14, which of the following can be considered as an accessory penalty of an impeachment case? 1. Exile. 2. Fine or indemnity. 3. Imprisonment. 4. Sequestration of property. 5. Perpetual disqualification from holding public office. The answer is 5. Perpetual disqualification from holding public office. Number 15, what does the red color of the Philippine flag represent? 1. The Filipinos' capacity for self-determination. 2. The Filipinos' resistance to foreign aggression. 3. Progress and prosperity. 4. Declaration of war. 5. Filipino valor. The answer is 5. Filipino valor. Number 16, the Philippines is a democratic and republican state. Consequently, sovereignty resides in 1. Malacanang. 2. The ruling party. 3. The Congress of the Philippines. 4. The Armed Forces of the Philippines. 5. The people or citizenry. The answer is 5. The people or citizenry. Number 17, what are the official languages of the Philippines? 1. Tagalog and English. 2. Filipino and English. 3. English and Spanish. 4. Filipino and regional languages. 5. English and regional languages. The answer is 2. Filipino and English. Number 18, a voter is disqualified from exercising her right to suffrage if he or she 1. Is poor. 2. Is illiterate. 3. Is naturalized Filipino citizen. 4. Is 20 years of age immediately preceding the election. 5. Has been a resident of the Philippines for less than 6 months. The answer is 5. Has been a resident of the Philippines for less than 6 months. Number 19, a police officer who detains a suspect longer than what is required by law is liable for 1. Abduction. 2. Illegal detention. 3. Illegal arrest. 4. Arbitrary detention. 5. Violation of domicile. The answer is 2. Illegal detention. Number 20, who among the following may be appointed as member of the cabinet without needing confirmation from the Commission on Appointments? 1. Senator. 2. Senate President. 3. Congressman. 4. Speaker of the House. 5. Vice President. The answer is 5, Vice President. We hope you learned something from our latest civil service exam drill. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And don't forget to leave your comments and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.